Okay, this is number 13 on page 179. It's about adding zeros to the dividend. The dividend is this number right here, 6 65/100. I chose number 13 because it might be a little confusing. It says June rode her bike to the bookstore and back. According to her bike's odometer, the round trip distance was 6 65/100 miles. She started the division at the right to figure out the one-way distance to the bookstore. Add a 0 to the end of the dividend and finish the division. So, what this problem is saying is June has this answer, 3 32/100. She's already brought down the last number, which is 5, and she has 1/100 left. And she doesn't want to just put a remainder 1/100th, which is here. She wants to figure out the next digit in the thousands place so we could be done with the division. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. It says add a 0 to the end of the dividend. This is the dividend. I'm going to add a 0 right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down the 0. Okay. And I want you to think of this as 10. So how many times does 2 go into 10? What would we write in our answer would be 5. 5 times 2 is now 10. Because we're continuing with the decimal, we're going to keep this going. That's why it's 10 thousandths and not just 10. Okay, because the decimal went up here. It also follows all the way down here. And 10 thousandths minus 10 thousandths is 0. And now the division is finished. We end up with 0, which is what we want. And we get 3 325 thousandths. And it's actually miles.